All right, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something rad from Homiah. They have all sorts of neat noodles and kits and stuff, and it's all Southeast Asian stuff, generally like Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia. Really good stuff. I've reviewed all of it. Look up the name Homiah on www.theramenraider.com. You'll see what I'm talking about. And they sent me some things I asked for because I'm going to do a new list soon, and I'm going to announce that. So let's crack this open and take a look. Perfect. So in the last couple of years, I've started exploring all sorts of different things to add on to instant noodles. I mean, I've been doing that for a lot longer, but there have been certain things that I really didn't know much about that I've started to learn more about and have some pretty strong opinions on. And those are oils. There's all sorts of different oils. There's crunchy oils. There's oils with all sorts of stuff in them. And they're different from wherever their regional origins are. And I'm going to do a top 10 list of oils and special sauce type things that you would add to instant noodles and ramen. Yeah. So here is one that these folks make. And it's called Sambal Chili Crunch. This stuff is good. This is Homiah. Homiah is a Malaysian thing. It's got little bits of shrimp and it's oily, a little bit of heat. Really good. Let's crack it. Let's crack the box open. I want to take a look inside this. This is cool. Yeah, here we go. And this, folks, actually for chili crisp, this is a pretty herkin big old jar. This is a lot of it. You don't really need to use a whole heck of a lot of it. With something like Homiah, what you can do is just take a spoonful of it, take some noodles, and just stir them up, and you are set. It's really strong, really tasty. And this is a seaweed variety. I don't know that I've tried this one, but I'm excited to. And here's the jar. Yet again, another big old jar. This one, I believe, is vegan friendly, and it has less oil. So it's a lot more of that sludgy goodness that you're looking for in a crisp. Well, thank you very much to the folks over at Homiah for sending this over. Yeah, I know at least this one will be on the list. I'll probably mention the other one too, at least. Who knows? I might like the vegan one even better than the regular. But that list is forthcoming. I have not done any picks really other than this, and I've got a couple other ones in mind you may have heard of. But it'll be a different kind of list, and I hope you enjoy it. And this will be on there. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.